Hello everyone! Today at DigiWiz, we are going to be creating the drawing robot. First things first, let's take out our kit. Let's break out the instruction manual. Then we take out every part and lay it out correctly on our workstation so we have everything when we need it. When you're done, your workstation should look something like this. Let's start by reading our instruction manual. Let's go to the second slide. First, let's get our power box. We're going to connect this to our press switch using the red cords. Let's start by peeling our cord end into a fishhook shape so we can attach it to our press switch. Now let's slide the hook into our press switch holder and tie it in place. When we have that done, we're going to take our other red cord and connect that to the other side of the press switch, doing the same thing, hooking and then tying it in place. Now on to the next step. We're going to connect our red lead and our black lead to our motor. Next, we're going to take our red lead, curl the end into the small gap in the right side of our motor cable. After that, we take our black lead, curl the end, and put it on the left side of the motor. Next, find your yellow propeller. It should look like this. Pick a spot on the yellow propeller and place one of the iron rakes. Now we're going to use our screws to hold it in place. Position the screw with your finger, then get your screwdriver and screw it into place. Now we're going to find a point 1/3 away from our current rake position to place our second iron rake. Just the same as last time, we're going to screw it in place with our screwdriver and then move on to the final rake. When you're done, it should look something like this. Next, we're going to get our green foam. Use your finger to pop out the centerpiece. And now we're going to place our motor into the foam. Place your finger on the red end to push it into place. Next, we're going to take our foam glue and cut it into 2 slices. One should be bigger than the other one. Now let's peel back the outside layer of the foam glue so we can stick it to our yellow propeller. You're going to want to stick it right in the center, just like this. Next, we're going to stick our motor and our press switch on top of the yellow propeller using the sticky glue. Make sure all your cords are still in place. Next, we're going to fasten our power box to our yellow propeller using a screw and screwdriver. Next, we're going to install the white rocker on the motor shaft on top of our robot. When you've pressed it on correctly, you should be able to spin it around. Next, let's add the googly eyes. Take your googly eye, then peel off the back slip so it will stick onto your foam motor. Give your robot a little shake to make sure the eyes are working correctly. Next, we're going to take one of our pens and fasten it to an iron rake descending from our yellow propeller. We're going to fasten it in place using our elastic bands. Just wrap your elastic band around and around, and then finally loop it again so that the pen will stay in place. Do this twice so that your pen is securely fastened. Let's do this to the other two, and finally, our robot is complete! All that's left is to insert the battery. Start your robot, click the press switch, and watch him go. Don't forget to remove the pen nibs on your markers, put a white piece of paper underneath him, and watch him do what he does best. Wow! Congratulations! Your drawing buddy is complete. You're now ready to take on the world of art. See you next time!